How to change Discord password if you forgot. So in the login section of Discord, you should be able to see right below the password a little question or a blue hided line that says forgot your password. So if you forgot your password, all you have to do is press on this one so that you can start the process of, getting your password or changing your password. But of course, you're gonna have to put in the email of the account you forgot your password of. So in that case, just go ahead and do so. Put in the email or phone number of your associated account, and you should be able to get verification codes via that email or phone number. And then you can change your password into a new one, and then you can log in back to your account. But that's pretty much how you can change your password in Discord or get your password back. And hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.